Hi everyone, today I'm going to open this bad boy box, which is a 18-inch selfie stand. So let's see, I'm gonna unbox let's see what's in there, because I'm not sure with the product name yet. So I'm gonna open this one. If you bear with me, let's see inside. I thought I'll probably need a knife to open it. That's beautifully packed from Amazon. So that's the selfie stand. As you can see, this is 18-inch ring light trip stand for selfie and phone holder. Let's see what's inside the box. I'm gonna open the box so we can see what's inside. Okay, this box got beautiful bag. As you can see, it's beautifully packed. So I'm just gonna put this stuff away. Just 1 minute. Now that's the beautiful bag. So if you're not using your selfie stand, you can put your stuff in there. That's nice. And that's the basically a little it's not a little, actually this is big. That's the tube light, which got 3 functions in there, off and on. That's nice. And it's got loads of accessory. That's the manual book. And that's the screw for the stand, where you can put your stand, like, screw up and put your put your light on the top. So it's got 3 mountain in there, which is very nice. What's that little thing in there? Oh, you got remote as well, so if you need to take a photo, you can connect it with your phone and you can take the photo. That's nice. There you go. There's a remote as well if you want to put the light on and off, and set the light version. If you need a highlight, you can put it on high, low and medium. And that's the UK cable. So if you need to plug your selfie stand into a UK socket, so that's for made for the UK. It's very nice. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Let's see what's that. Okay, that's the one of the other box. It's basically got legs for the stand, which is very nice. Look like it to me, legs. Let's see this is right. Okay, that's very nice. It's got legs in there, and that's look very strong. So if you put your selfie light on it, it won't drop. So 100% this is a recommended product, and very nice, very nice. And that's the little instruction you need to follow, and that's from GMAC, and it's worth the money. It's not that expensive, so I haven't paid much for it. But hopefully you like the video. Please subscribe my channel, and have a good day. I'll bring a new product in my new video. Thank you. Bye bye.